All right, welcome back. So this is another challenge activity from code.org. This happens to be on lesson 23, collisions. And it says set collider. So it says sprites interact based on the size and shape of their collider, not the images that are assigned to them. And in a previous activity, we talked about this with the debugging. And you can only see the collider when debug mode is turned on. You can change the shape of the collider using the set collider block, which lets you pick between a rectangle or a circle. By default, all colliders are rectangle. Okay, so if we look at this right now, we've got a gold coin and a silver coin. And they're moving across and they hit. Because we have the debug tool turned on, we can see that that collider around them is a rectangle. Well, that's really not going to work for us because these are coins, they're circles. So let's take a look at what it wants us to do. It says change the collider shape for the gold coin from a rectangle to a circle. Add a new collider block for the silver coin and choose circle for that shape collider. Okay, so we have a collider one here for the gold. So let's go ahead and make that a circle. And let's run that for a second and see. So we can see that this is a circle, this is a square. That makes it much different, right? Because it just hit the corner of that square. So now what we want to do is we want to change the collider for that as well. And we got to look for set collider. And this one's going to be for silver coin. And we're going to make that a circle. And that makes sense, right? Like these are both coins, they're circles. We want to make sure the collider reflect that for those two. So now they should bounce more accurately. Okay? So we just need to set the collider to a circle so it matches the shape of the coins. All right, another pretty short one. Hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.